We know that the inference is an important part of an argument because we can begin the critical thinking process about that argument by asking if we want to accept that inference. And if we know what type of argument we're dealing with, then we can ask the right questions about the inference for that argument. And by asking those questions, we can move through the critical thinking process and we can determine the strength of the argument that's being made. So we go back to the middle part of the argument, this inference, and we ask, well, what type of argument is this? After we know what type of argument it is, we know what types of questions we need to ask that relate to that type of argument. By asking those questions, we are going through the process of determining just how strong this argument is. And this is something that we can apply to the arguments we hear on a daily basis, but it's also something that we can apply internally when we're constructing our own arguments.